Are you looking for the best multi-process welder? In this video we will look at some of the best multi-process welder on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Andeli TIG 250 welding machine. The Andeli TIG 250 welding machine is a versatile and efficient welding tool designed for welding aluminum using tungsten inert gas (TIG) welding techniques. This welding machine operates on both alternating current (AC) and direct current (DC), providing the flexibility to weld a variety of materials and achieve different welding effects. Key features of the Andeli TIG 250 welding machine include the ability to perform HF TIG welding, lift TIG welding, pulse TIG welding, metal manual arc welding, MMA, and AC/DC welding. These functions allow for precise control and customization of the welding process, enabling welders to achieve the desired weld characteristics for a wide range of applications. Additionally, the Andeli TIG 250 welding machine is designed with smart welding technology, enhancing ease of use and efficiency during the welding process. It operates on a standard 220V power supply, making it suitable for a wide range of welding environments and ensuring accessibility to power sources. Number 2. Plasmargon 520 TSCP welding machine. The Plasmargon 520 TSCP welding machine is a versatile and innovative 4-in-1 welding device designed for various welding applications. With its advanced features and capabilities, it stands out as a highly efficient and multifunctional tool in the welding industry. The 520 TSCP model integrates both plasma cutting and welding functionalities, making it a versatile solution for professionals and enthusiasts. One of its key features is the pilot arc technology, allowing for a more precise and efficient start when initiating the welding or cutting process. This feature enhances the overall welding and cutting performance and contributes to the machine's reliability and accuracy. The Plasmargon 520 TSCP is capable of performing multiple welding techniques, including MMA, manual metal arc, TIG, tungsten inert gas, and pulse welding, providing welders with a wide range of options to choose from based on their specific requirements and preferences. Additionally, it can handle CNC plasma cutting operations, making it suitable for automated and precise cutting tasks. Number 3. Andeli MCT 520 DPL Pro welding machine. The Andeli MCT 520 DPL Pro is a versatile welding machine that caters to a variety of welding needs. This multi-function welding equipment offers 5 different welding processes in one unit, making it a comprehensive tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike. The MCT 520 DPL Pro supports MIG, TIG, MMA, manual metal arc, cut, plasma cutting, and cold welding processes. One of the notable features of the Andeli MCT 520 DPL Pro is its ability to perform MIG pulse can welding, particularly useful for welding aluminum. This capability enhances its usability and efficiency, making it an attractive choice for projects that involve aluminum welding. Whether you need to weld different metals, perform cutting tasks, or engage in various welding techniques, the Andeli MCT 520 DPL Pro welding machine provides a comprehensive and convenient solution, consolidating multiple functionalities into a single, powerful tool. This makes it a valuable asset for welding professionals seeking efficiency and versatility in their welding equipment. Number 4. HZXVOGEN HBM 2280 welding machine. The HZXVOGEN HBM 2280 welding machine is a versatile welding tool that offers a 5-in-1 functionality, including gasless/gas MIG, arc/MMA, and TIG welding. This welding machine is designed to handle various welding applications, making it a suitable choice for both professional welders and DIY enthusiasts. One of the notable features of the HBM 2280 welding machine is its ability to perform gasless or gas MIG welding, providing flexibility in different welding environments. Additionally, it offers arc/MMA welding capabilities, allowing for efficient and precise welding of various metals. Moreover, this welding machine is equipped to handle TIG welding, which is particularly useful for welding aluminum and other materials that require precise and controlled welding process. The inclusion of Synergic semi-automatic welding technology enhances the welding experience, ensuring optimal welding settings and efficiency. Number 5. HITBOX HBM 1200 Welding Machine. The HITBOX HBM 1200 welding machine is a versatile and advanced welding tool designed to facilitate various welding processes. This 3-in-1 Synergic welding machine is equipped to perform MIG, TIG, and argon arc welding, offering a wide range of welding options for different applications. The HBM 1200 welding machine operates on both 110V and 220V power, providing flexibility and convenience for users who may have access to different power sources. This dual voltage capability ensures that the welder can be used in a variety of settings, making it suitable for both professional and DIY welding projects. One of the notable features of the HITBOX HBM 1200 welding machine is its semi-automatic functionality. This means that while it requires operator control, it also has automated processes to streamline the welding procedure and enhance efficiency. The Synergic welding capabilities optimize the welding parameters for improved performance and welding quality.